how to recover your unsaved Excel file in your Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover your unsaved Excel file. So let us get started. Now this is really easy. First, open up your Excel, and after you open up your Excel, head over to this home section. If you're on your blank workbook, you will need to go to the files section to go to this home section. After you're here, scroll down and you'll see all of your recently opened Excel files. So after you're there, you'll see more workbooks. Tap on more workbooks. After you tap on it, you'll see recover unsaved workbooks. Simply tap on that and a new file should open up. Now, these are the file that you have not saved but is still saved so that you can recover it. Now, simply you can recover it by copying this and pasting it to some other location or by simply opening it up. So yeah, that is basically how you recover your unsaved Excel. So yeah, that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye. Take care.